Mawhati TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Dr. Mukul Sama ubalong unong yalam jangka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress haka khanyaw tarik urempang arjal pulai ulahiyar sika sinong tersu banpan jing kersa nakipajba nong song sinong jangka Mawhati constituency nakabenta ka kertong pala penyeng daka parti ka Dr. Shrah Dorphang. Yau Dr. Mukul la senran lang dau Dr. Fabian Lingdo ubalong State General Secretary jangka TMC bat ka Dr. Shrah Dorphang lembat kiwi-kiwi degi nong yalam bahakmat jangka parti. Habakaran hakani kajialang ka Dr. Dorphang kalong balada kipajba kinpen kubor ya ka kum kanong mikmat kan pelong ya ka jingang nuot banwanra ya ka Community and Rural Development Block Mawhati banshana ya ka Market Complex banwanra ya ka Model School badru ban kentio ya ka than terso umru ka bala bananam ha ka jingwan dam jong kisim Amur Falcon na Siberia manlaka ayom telang.
Plenty of opportunities to serve our people and serve the state. Many other distinguished leaders that people of the state of Meghalaya have chosen. We have tried many things, but many things are yet to be done. We still have to do many things for our mothers, for our children, for our youth, who stay in such difficult places. There has been huge disparity in respect of the share of development and share of benefit out of the developmental agenda of the state across the state. Mawhati as well is one of the areas which is a victim of disparity of development. We wanted to do justice to this aspect, but somehow 2018, after I saw what was happening here, we could form the government. So we are here again. We want to do it. We want to ensure that from this 2023 onwards, Mawhati area and the people of this Mawhati area is capable of receiving their entitlement in respect of developments. We also want to see, that every mother who has been deprived of what is their entitlement are given justice. Last 5 years has been an agonizing experience for all the people of the state of Meghalaya and particularly the people of Mawhati. For last few months, almost a year, we have been traveling across the state, across the nook and corner of the state. Here we have heard, or rather from everywhere, the same voice of echo, the voice reflecting the agonizing experiences that the people have gone through these 5 years. All the leaders and political parties who are in the present dispensation have definitely been focusing in their own self-centric priorities. Many leaders who have given their best in building the state in the years gone by. I also had the privilege of working with many leaders. I also had the privilege to lead the state as a chief minister. Then we tried to take care of the mothers, the single mothers, tried to take care of the old, the infirm, the people with disabilities. We wanted to take care of the children, the youth, and created enough substantial spaces of job opportunities over the years. We created lots of business opportunities, opportunities of entrepreneurship. There are many programs which were embarked upon for the upliftment of our farmers and for upscaling their income, like aquaculture mission, horticulture mission, apiculture mission, so many missions. Many youths were having such a hope for getting into the various job spaces available. Friends, we understand the pain of the mothers and sisters. We understand the pain of the mothers when they cannot pay fees, school fees for the children and don't get the result. When we go to some places, mothers come and tell me that they are compelled to send their children to private schools because the government schools are closed because they have not appointed teachers. And many young men come and ask me as to why the jobs that they have applied for, they have not been given yet. There has been no result declared yet. Friends, there's the same story everywhere across the state. These are all our entitlements. Given welfare programs from the government is our entitlement. That is what is enshrined in our Constitution of India. That's why we call the money that is under the control of the government as the public money. Today, that's why this election, we have all gathered here to again see what kind of destiny we want to give for the state of Meghalaya and our people. And everything everywhere actually that is the reality. So this whole gathering has to take a resolution to free our people from this discrimination and deprivation. Lack of new income, lack of job opportunities, lack of share of development, we must put an end to this. Why as party, TMC has taken a pledge to ensure that we make our mothers happy and the job seekers restore their hope. We want to ensure that the state becomes richer so that there is more money to pass on to our mothers and sisters and our young men and women. To ensure that we open up new entrepreneurship and business for our young men and women. To ensure that every farmers have the support, adequate support coming from the government. So you see all the pledges, the main 10 pledges include all this. You know that mothers are finding it difficult to pay fees for the children. We want to put an end to these agonizing experiences.
Nilalap, bah, kaya pun keluar ini, hagastil juni, hagisnam kitau juni, baru kini gisnam, kamta melau yebi, nadu balasdang. Bandrung ki crorepati nolak business syakar politics. Nyela kelumarut. Omdon pisah sunam ta kata, omdon pisah sunam ta kata, omdon pisah sunam ta kata. Oh lapra kata building, lakhen kata kejingking, lalong komnya longtai, nadu kata kopor. Ban menta kawan kejuk, hakaba. Yau kulom nong sensar anbat da kinong kayi kane masusi simun kabaja kay nang salam juni kane kan munde ban syai kane bakania jingai kaya mata ngatorai la janak suppose nam kasdang kane mensuam judon haurai konsi nila janjaba kawan kane kasur ke bakun kata kabaya ka borsen syar embat da ubun kepisah omdai da ubastak omdai da wanang omdai da betik ya kanti yang rai tang badon kepisah labiang kata kali ka baja habastit berawai bat ngam ban se ban pla badon ka kenun kinong le business ki badon ka komiti bat mata ya kata komiti ki kot ka high level ka ba plan Syain bu kandidat, kenang bakatay ka kunun nong le business ba klik du kan kontrol ya kastit berawai. Kibabon ki kandidat jong kata ka kunun kidai tang ki nomor, tang ban penhek nomor. Kenang ban job katong ban raya katay. Banyak obat yang disebut chief minister, badon kita nomor, te obat minister, obat kulum, bansan work order, nah kebentar LD. Kali dijima ke berkerau. Tema yang ni apa Mawhati konsumsi, kita ni, kita kandidat, kita ngadai banyerok, sau buat kita imik sudah. Dan mereka ni kakek ke mementa, kami suka kakek bagi nyekrian utu babah, utu wasbun, omdesu banjip nami kemak cimet. Kini kalau ayat kalian ke kubur, bahang roy, Mawhati, tekim pek parti, kipek ya uriu cimet, ya kariu cimet kandidat. Kata kamu langsung, dia kata kamu pelong ini. Ban jenjar kane ban mati kita kijinya kijinya kesat ya tang lama ya procession tang lama tang tong shop condemn ya kata ya person ngidawa ya ka komta balik kan saya fikir namar bangin ni pasuthu ka parti
Snong, nyami hak artu nyautere, bangin ay ke siap ke jongi, haki arteli ke sentio, berki pelang, kata kali ke siap ke jongi, long live TMC, tongi yang pertajam, long live TMC, tengah sengo, ya kaban pentip syapiru, ya kani ka matrikam. Kaba kung ka parti Trinamool Congress Meghalaya kalabu na kabenta ka jela ka jongi ka thong man perulong haki ni kisan snem ni daniam ka jing sos kam ni daniam ka jing shania ni daniam ka jing kermen ha ka TMC te na kabenta jongi hang ni Mawhati constituency ka than bai ka jongi kabala sa Shrah kabala sadin haki yang baro ngidan ni kimat ki bakam kerpang ban perulong haki ni kisan snem ki bangwan kabanin kong kalong bangirwan lam da ke jing trei lang ba da ke jing shim khialang jong ki nong kit kam shlong haka than ni ki jongi baro ko we ninwan lam ya ka CRD block haka than ki jongi ka bangim parjidon kata ka de ka we kabanin kong ka bangila prakhat bangidan kam ban kiu kumbak kiu kiwi ki constituency nginwan lam ya ka CRD block ban penurlong hakini ki sansnem bangin donna la ka jong ka block haka ba yedi bar ki kam penroi ki badai sya ka thain ka jongi ka baar kalong ba ngin kit khia nakalian jong ka parti TMC kaban yo ek jisen syaru hakani ka sansrem kaban wan nidan kata ke jinge ke bas kem bar ke jingerman bas kem ba ka parti TMC hi kan ai ke jisen syar ka bakhur but nidan kata ka jingang nur ban pendam no ya kate ke sekolah kabala yate hakte ki jaka khapur kabangi kum kinong shang haki jaka khapur ampar teli kisnong kibala sya penkentum no syapo asam ngidi ban yobyang kadi ke parti TMC kebala lecture do Delhi ban persya ya kan ke MOU ban pendam no ya kata ke sekolah bangin yobyang ya ki jaga putar ki jongi ban bangin yopat ya ka hok ke jongi kum kita ki schedule tribe